He could really use our help.
We'll get to it.
In a minute.
Hiccup?
Astrid? Perfect. I don't look too beat up, do I? Oh, great. Dragon pity. Hey, Astrid. What a nice surprise.
So, how was your day?
Yeah, uneventful. Hung around the plaza. You know.
Yeah, I do know. We saw you out there. It's hard to believe you're still standing.
I'm gonna be seeing flaming sheep in my dreams for the next month.
You do realize there are like a bazillion dragons out there and only one of you? I hope you really do have a plan.
It's amazing your dad just gave us the arena.
Well, it would be if he did, yeah, but he didn't, so that's another thing we should try not to talk about.
Wait, so we're going behind your father's back?
There you go, talking about it. All right.
Told you we were gonna get in trouble. Oh, you never listen to me.
Dad, if anyone's going to get in trouble, it should be me.
No, you all had a hand in this. I wanted to tell them.
I'm not a problem, Dad. After all, I've got him. And them, too.
Burke Dragon Academy. I like the sound of that.
Didn't see that one coming, did ya?
No, not for dragons. They come with one built in, actually.
I know, but can you ever really have too much firepower? Time to put this beast out of its misery.
Hiccup, what are you doing?
No, go back! Astrid?
Over here. Hiccup, I'm freezing.
Come here. Where are the dragons? Toothless?
Stormfly? Yeah, they saved our lives.
So we're good now.
Good as new.
Ow!
If it weren't for them, we would have frozen to death.
You know what? You could have used your own bodies to keep each other warm.
Who would do that?
That's crazy.
Hey, Astrid, if you're still cold. Hey!
Don't worry.
Worried? I'm not worried. Do I look worried?